This is a very simple MOV and add instructions in ARM. So this is a very small program. Uh, Here you can see the first line of the program says MOV R0, comma the number 0. So this says that put this immediate value into the R0 register, and then the second value is at instruction is at memory location 0x10058, which is relative to start plus fourth byte. So in ARM A52, each uh, instruction each instruction is of 32 bits. So 8 bit in 8 bits of group, so 4 byte aligned. Okay, so they are 4 byte aligned. So the next instruction says that move number immediate value number 2 into R1 register, and then the third instruction is add, which says add R0 and R1 register and put the value into R0 register. Okay, now the next instruction says that put the R1 instruction into R4, put the R1 the data into copy the data in from R1 to R4 register. Okay, so now let's see how it works. This program uh, is GEF, uh, which is an extension to the GDB debugger for ARM. Okay, so first we enter the instruction step I and then press enter. Okay, so the first instruction is executed. Okay, you can see the program uh, program counter is at 10058, and at 10058 is the instruction which is going to be executed when we enter the command step I, step instruction. Okay, so let's see. So now the registers are updated. You can see the step I R1 instruction is number 2. So our instruction was to take this number 2 and put this into R1 register, and it has done it. Okay, now we will step through the instructions one more time. So the instruction was adding uh, adding R0 and R1 and put the result into R0. Okay, so it has added the R0 and R1 and put the result back into R0, which is number 2. Now the program counter is pointing to the next instruction. Here the program counter is pointing to the next instruction, which is relative to the start plus 12 bytes, and the instruction is move R0 and move R4 comma R1. So if we step through the instruction, you can see the data into R1 is copied into data register R4. Okay,